Welcome to Land of Meditation. Take a slow, deep breath in, and gently breathe out. Imagine you are walking along a quiet path just after sunset. The sky is soft shades of blue and gold, and the air feels cool and kind. With every step you take, your worries grow lighter. You reach a peaceful lake surrounded by tall trees. The water is completely still, like a mirror. As you sit beside it, you notice your reflection, calm, safe, and relaxed. Each breath you take creates gentle ripples in the water. With every ripple, your stress slowly fades away. Your shoulders soften, your mind becomes quiet. A warm light begins to glow in your chest, spreading peace through your body. This light carries comfort, safety, and calm. You realize there is nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing to worry about. You are exactly where you need to be. As you rest here, remember, you can return to this peaceful place anytime you feel overwhelmed. Take one final deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Feel calm. Feel grounded. Feel at peace,